Today we are going to figure out why this light fixture has water dripping through it. The only way to see what the issue is to get inside of the ceiling. Which brings us to step 1. Cut out the ceiling surrounding the light. Step 2. Pull out the drywall around the light so we can locate the issue. And we found the issue. The P-trap is dripping water right off the bottom of it and into the light fixture. Once Adam was able to take a further look, he determined that it was just because it wasn't sealed properly when it was put in. Step 3. In order to fix this issue, Adam is going to use PVC cement to seal the pipe. Although this was an easy plumbing fix because of a simple mistake, there are other ways to stop a P-trap from leaking. But of course this depends on where the source of the leak is coming from. Consider tightening the compression joints or replacing the washers. If neither of these work or you find that you have a cracked or corroded P-trap, replacing the P-trap entirely will be necessary.